What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here, and in today's video I'm going to talk about what the top 7 metaverse projects that you can play to earn right now where you can make over $100 per day. Let's get into it. But before I jump into the content, I just completely revamped my website, bitcoinlockup.com. As you can see here on the screen, there is some very exciting stuff coming, and you can always preview my newest videos there before they hit YouTube or any other platform. There's also going to be some bonus exclusive content coming at the beginning of next year that will not be made available anywhere else. Let's get into it.
And here we go.
So if you have followed closely, you might have noticed that in the last 50 years, technology has changed by leaps and bounds. Slowly, people have started to realize that they could make massive profits when they've simply just adapted to changes in technology. The blockchain revolution is here with its products like the Metaverse, NFTs, DAOs, and so on. And with Facebook rebranding itself to Meta, the buzz around what is the Metaverse and what can you do in the Metaverse is skyrocketing daily in terms of interest and search volume. People want to be a part of this. They want to experience it, and also they want to find ways to profit from it. Now, you have heard about YouTubers earning thousands of dollars while playing online games. What is even more surprising is that the online gaming industry is valued at over $170 billion. Yes, that's billions with a B. The number is absurdly high, and with the massive growth of the Metaverse projects, you can come up here and have some serious cash in earning by doing nothing other than playing these games. Have you ever wondered if you had got in on Ethereum when it was only a few dollars on exchanges? How would your life change and how would it be different? Well, here's your second chance. So we have brought you 7 Metaverse projects where you can play and earn up to and sometimes over $100 per day. And if you stick to the end of this video, I've added a bonus game for you. So let's dive right in. Now, some of these games I have mentioned before and some are new, but all of them allow you to make money by doing nothing other than simply just investing time and playing the game, as well as collecting NFTs. Number 1 is Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity comes at the top of our list with over $3.6 billion worth of assets and is traded in its marketplace. This number should keep you hooked, and this game is highly influenced by Pokemon lore. Here, players start with a pet called Axie, and each Axie is unique and has a subsequent NFT. Every Axie has its own elements, strengths, weaknesses, etc., similar to Pokemon. You can use them to battle, breed, level up, collect, and even trade Axies. And the game operates as a play-to-earn model where you can earn Ethereum-based in-game tokens called Axie Infinity Shards, or AXS, as well as Smooth Love Potions, or SLP. In the beginning, the rewards will be low, but as you gain experience and level up your Axies, the limit for earning is endless. Another way of earning profit is by breeding your Axies to adulthood, which will take you 5 days. You can then trade them on the Axie marketplace directly for Ethereum. Every 15 days, the game allows you to cash out these tokens on any sort of cryptocurrency exchange similar to Binance or several DEXs, even Uniswap. Along with playing this game, you can also buy lands in this metaverse in the form of NFTs, and you can hold them and sell them later for a very handsome profit. Coming in at number 2 is Gods Unchained. This game was first announced in 2018. Since then, it has exploded in user growth and popularity. Now, this is a blockchain-based tactical card game where players have full ownership of all of their in-game items. That means they can collect rare cards and sell them to other players just like actual tangible trading cards. The game is simple. The more you play, the more cards and gods tokens that you earn. You can also exchange these gods tokens for the ERC20 token, which can be further used to buy more cards and NFTs within the game. You can even combine cards to form even rarer cards, such as combos. These rare cards have high value in the marketplace, and you can swap them for real money.
Skylar, where is the money?
Now, this game allows you to invite your friends and earn a free reward card for simply referring them. You can also exchange cards with your friends, team up, and compete in tournaments where pool prizes can go as high as $770,000. Not bad. Coming in at number 3 is Illuvium. This is one of the fastest growing metaverse projects ever. Since its introduction on the Ethereum blockchain, the price has multiplied by over 10x since it first hit exchanges. One prominent feature of this metaverse is how strong the actual community is. Illuvium has a very fast-growing Discord community with over 260,000 active members. This goes to show how much people are excited about the growth of the overall games and the overall universe. Illuvium is an NFT-based RPG game, role-playing game, mixed with an auto battler similar to World of Warcraft, but in the metaverse. Here, you can do things like journey through the ever-growing world of Illuvium, experiencing all the massive gameplays, collect creatures called Illuvials, and you can form teams with your Illuvials and fight other players. Here, the ILV is the basic utility token, and the most exciting part of this metaverse is that you can earn ILV by defeating players of higher ranks or taking part in the community-based governance. This game also hosts tournaments and competitions where you can earn a large amount of ILV, and of course, if you want to, you can later exchange it for real-world cash, Ethereum, or so on. Coming in at number 4 is called Zed Run. Zed Run is a digital horse racing game that is optimized for the blockchain. The premise of this game is very simple. Players can breed and race their digital horses against other players. Every horse is unique, has its own strengths, has its own weaknesses, and you can even upgrade them using the rewards you receive after every successful win. You can then earn money in Zed Run by also taking part in the races. Here are the top 3 players awarded anywhere between 50 and 60% of the total pool of money. You can also do this by putting your players in stud farms. Just like real life horses, you can breed your horses and then earn a percentage of any of the newly minted NFT horses. Pretty cool. You can also sell them in the marketplace. Zed Run horse owners can sell the horse NFTs directly for Ether. Now, they can also buy rare horses before anyone buys them and then resell them for a hefty profit. Coming in at number 5 is Volcan Forged. Now, this is a project that I've been keeping a close watch on for the last several months. Volcan Forged started as a very small NFT platform, but is now turned into a very impressive gaming studio. What I like about Volcan Forge is that they create the infrastructure for games with the play to earn or play and earn model. Since its inception, the price of Volcan Forged PYR as the token ticker has multiplied over 9 times. Yeah, that's pretty crazy high even for metaverse platforms. You can also earn Lava, L-A-V-A, the in-game token of Volcan Forge, by doing one of several things. You can either do it by playing their flagship game called Vulcanverse. Here, players can gain experience points by completing a task and then leveling up their character. We can also trade these characters later on the NFT marketplace for resale value. Additionally, in Volcanverse, the lands are also NFTs. You can use them to earn passive income. Additionally, you can have 10% of all Volcan Forged tokens are allocated specifically as play-to-earn rewards. And at the end of each month, users are rewarded with lava for being a part of the Volcanverse metaverse. Coming in at number 6 is Crypto Blade. It is one of the first games to use NFTs directly in the metaverse. Here, each playable character, weapon, and power-ups are all unique and are all incorporated as NFTs themselves. Players can trade characters, buy new weapons, create unique combinations with different power levels, and in-game items. Here, the native token is called Skill, S-K-I-L-L, and you can earn skill by doing a couple of different things. Upgrading your character, also when you combat with other players, minting brand new characters, and then trading NFTs. And this game is built on the Binance Smart Chain, and players can also exchange skill on Binance directly for BEP20 tokens, or really any other crypto you want. Now, like I mentioned, here is the 7th and final bonus game for sticking around to the end of the video. Number 7, League of Ancients, also known as LOA. This game is creating a massive buzz in the crypto space right now. People are even calling this game the next big thing in the NFT-based gaming industry. LOA is a multiple player online battle arena, or MOBA, game. Without a doubt, it is the first of its kind in the metaverse, where players will compete with each other using different skills to destroy the stronghold of their opponents. MOBA games are addictive and have seen massive success in the gaming industry for the past 20 years or so. Players can earn small amounts of LOA token, which is the native currency of the game, by doing either defeating opponent strongholds, powering up their characters. Also, this game will incentivize you for continued interaction with the more you play, the more you earn type of experience. Invest your time. You can even fuse your character's skin and form rare collectible NFTs. They can become very serious source of passive income if you're doing nothing but gaming. Now, as you can see, by adapting yourself to emerging technologies like blockchain and NFTs, you can earn some serious cash, even some would argue a full-time living, literally doing nothing but playing these online games. Those days are gone where you had to toil around to earn some money.
Much it will pay. I may have been early, but I'm not wrong.
But because with the inclusion of gaming directly into the metaverse, you can now generate a very high level of profit. So make sure to use these projects to earn money, test them out, while being incorporated into the metaverse ecosystem yourself. And then go ahead and click right here in the top right corner to watch my deep dive on airdrops. I will see you guys in that video right now. Crypto Renegade out.